Boom! What it do, YouTube? This video gonna be very chill, you feel me? Move to the side a little bit so I can put the little screen right here. But in today's video, we basically about to be making a Pinterest. About to be making a little Pinterest board. Boom. Let me go to YouTube. We finna play some little tune. Excuse me. Some little tunes that aren't copyrighted. See if we can find. Find something. All right. Wait, was this instrumental? No. Come on, gang. Fuck with me, gang. Fuck with me. Fuck with me, gang. We just trying to find some quick little. Okay. We got one. You know what I'm saying? We got some the vibes. Alright. About to create a little Pinterest board for 2025. And yeah, it ain't really too much to this video. This is just my version of like a New Year's fresh start video. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, let me go about it by making basically a mood board, Pinterest board for 2025. See what we can come up with, you know what I'm saying? So, grab you some goddamn snacks. Open your laptop or your computer or your iPad or your phone and make a Pinterest board with me, you know what I'm saying? So I'm chill. Boom. We're gonna start it right here. I already kind of made a Pinterest board, so I'm gonna basically show y'all what I got already. This is my Pinterest right here. Y'all can see my numbers. I got 139k monthly views, 47 followers. I follow one person. I don't know who I follow because I swear I didn't follow anybody. But that's my Pinterest. Y'all can go check it out if y'all want to. It's cool, you feel me? It's connected to my Instagram, so everything I post on my Instagram just goes there. But where's my, here we go. Alright, I got 31 pins in my Pinterest board already. So I got like, don't be stealing my shit though, y'all. Alright? I know somebody gonna steal this shit, bro. But I'm stealing it too. So you feel me? I guess you can steal it. But a little Mason Margiela joint. I plan on getting that tatted. I ain't gonna say where because I don't want y'all to steal it that much. You feel me? But, and I'm gonna do my own little, I'm gonna swag it in my own way. You feel me? But it's really just different types of fits that I like, aesthetics, you know. See the little furniture and shit over there. It just give off a vibe, you feel me? And that's really what I'm going for real, is just creating a vibe, a 2025 vibe. I got some shoes in here. I really like reconstructed, very like weird patterned things right now. Just things that just look odd, you feel me? That's kind of what I like right now. So I did some shoes along those lines. Yeah, these are definitely crazy. If I can find those, I will, but I'm pretty sure somebody just made those. But yeah, look at that bike right there. I plan on getting an e-bike this year, or a bike that kind of looks like that. You feel me? Just so I don't have to use my car as much. But that's pretty much all we got. You got this little like ski boot over there. I think that's tough. I'm really into like clothes that look like this right here. You feel me? I feel like this shit is tough. So, y'all can see where my head at. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully this joint don't get too many views because I don't want niggas snatching my brain. If niggas do snatch my brain, hold on, we gonna have to mute this shit. Like, how do I mute this, bro? There go my boy Forrest right there. Shout out to my boy. I always see him on here. I also be seeing some of my friends too. And also I be seeing myself on here, I ain't gonna lie. We're gonna go ahead and add these Yeezy boots because these Yeezy boots kind of like still fit my aesthetic. I own them, so like if I see somebody wear them differently or something like that, it might inspire me to do something with mine as well. There go Forrest again. This nigga Forrest and Sleazy is like the fucking meta of this fucking fashion shit, I swear. Or streetwear at least. The thing about me, bro, I swear I'll be liking certain pieces, but it don't fit with an aesthetic I'm going for. Like this jacket right here. This Supreme New York City, New York Yankees jacket right here. It's cool, it's fire, but it don't fit with the aesthetic I be going for. I can make it fit with it, but like, let me just add it in there because I like it. And I like how he did that with the laces and the... This is kind of what I'll wear something like this, I ain't gonna lie. This my boy right here. This is my mutual right here. Shout out to my boy. This one right here, y'all. I don't want y'all thinking it was somebody else. Actually, you know what I can do? I can use my cursor over here so y'all can see what I'm talking about. You know what I'm saying? This jacket right here is tough. Yeah, I'm liking shit like this, gang. I'm liking shit like this. I feel with that belt. I feel like crazy belts is something that's 2025, you feel me? Let me go ahead and add that in there. There go my other boy. No, that's not my boy. This shit look like Miles a little bit. I gotta stay on this side a little bit so I'm not too far. I don't know whatchamacallit. Add another Yeezy boot in there. I know that's one thing about me. Y'all gonna notice. I wear these boots a lot, gang. I love them to death. That's why. I wish he would come out with more colors because I have all the colors. At least like 2 more colors. We need like a dark black type, you know what I'm saying? And then just something like crazy, you feel me? Yeah, I like shit like this for sure. Go ahead and throw that in there too. We like the belts. Shit, I like this on this girl. So I'm gonna go ahead and add that in there too. I feel like I don't want to like too much of one style of thing because it's gonna steer my algorithm off from shit I'm actually looking for. So what other shit I'm looking for? This is tough too. This is a girl, but you know I be trying to add everything. You feel me? Like when I think of girls, I want to think this. You feel me? You get what I'm saying? Like if I want to think of bikes, I want to think of a bike that I want to see. So that's kind of also how I'll go about it. See, this, Ye needs to make some shit like this. Please, for the love of God. That's my little school joint, y'all. So y'all know I'm in school. Fuck that school, though. They slight screwing me over. But y'all see it. See? This what Ye need to make right here, bro. Like, I know you're not with Adidas no more, but please, something like it. I'm telling y'all, I'm never selling that boot, ever. My favorite boot. I don't really like this one though. This boot looks a little weird to me. That boy KP. I plan on getting some Jeremy Scotts this year, so let me go ahead and add one in there. I'll fuck with this. Okay, I feel like I've officially steered off from stuff that I actually want to see. There go another Yeezy boot joint though. On a girl. Yeah, let me not go too crazy on the Yeezy boot. So it don't show me like too much shit, because if I keep seeing it, I'm gonna just keep doing the same thing. Let me go back up a little bit. What the fuck? I did not mean to do that, y'all. So let me go ahead and do this one and this one, and let's see if we can refresh it. Okay. I like this. I'm not gonna like it though, because that's kind of not on par with what I'm looking for. It's funny how they just started showing me a lot of that though. I have another Pinterest board filled with pictures like these. That Japanese swag, streetwear swag. I really fuck with it though, like, I really fuck with it, gang. I ain't gonna cap. That shit fire. I need these shoes right here. I'm gonna get them joints soon. LV joints. What else? This jacket right here is hard. I'm liking shit like that. It's another sleazy picture. This nigga has endless fit pics, bro. You know what I could've did? I could've just screen recorded me playing music on my iPad, and then it would've picked up the sound, and I could use it in my video. Oh yeah, it's my video I posted today. That boy 9, he be making that good shit though. Let me find a good little instrumental to start us off. Boom. Hold on, y'all. I want that shit to be too loud. I fuck with this, but not really. You feel me? These are tough. I don't even know what these are, but they kind of remind me of ERLs a little bit. We're gonna save that. This is tough. There's a couple of styles that I like, and I'm trying to like compartmentalize them in my head. You feel me? So that's kind of what I'm trying to do. So I'll probably make different boards from this board, you feel me? But this would be like the central board. The URLs that I have, very tough shoes actually, I'm gonna say that. Some things that we have in 2024 are coming with us to 2025. I'm trying to do more fits like these. This one is sleazy to where like it's very monotone and then a little pop of color in there, you feel me? I'm really not seeing anything too much on par with what I'm looking for, so I might have to go back to my board. I'm gonna fuck with this. Hold on, I'm seeing some stuff. This is tough. I like this too. So it's a cool piece. I actually have some patchwork pants. They're at my friend Brandon's house right now though. Kinda fit into it. I might unpin that later. Saving that just to trigger the algorithm. These are hard. So this is what we have so far. We're gonna try to do it to, I'm gonna try to get it to 100 pins and I'm gonna end out the video right there. But yeah, let's go back in here because this is kind of what I'm going for right here. Like this little pocket, and what I saved was not this. So what we're gonna do is click on this and get in here a little bit more. Save that. This. So this type of stuff gives off like a reworked futurism. I really like that. Reworked futurism. So now now that I can put a word to what I'm looking for, it might be easier for me to find. And then like look at these colors. Very nice, very cool. Shit. But yeah, I'm like really into like futuristic looking stuff. Futuristic colors, shoes. I feel like shoes is probably the easiest thing to like make a fit look futuristic. Other than that, it's like you really gotta get creative up top. And then pants can only look but so futuristic without it looking like weird. But alright, so we got a couple shoes in there. Let me go here. Alright, this is where I want to be at for real. Alright, we about to go down the little wormhole, y'all. I like this too. A brand that kind of gives off what I'm looking for this year is like Project GR. Just so y'all know, just cause I'm liking stuff like this, don't mean I'm gonna be dressing like this. Niggas can't really afford all the pieces that they want, so ain't no guarantee that I can look how I'm trying to look, but I'm gonna try to look as close to it as I can. You feel me? This is more so what I'm going for. This and them shoes that I liked. Alright, this is Project GR right here. Yeah, all of this is like what I'm looking for. This. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, this type of stuff makes me feel great. It makes me feel great. I love looking at clothes. I love listening to cool little beats, you feel me? Make me feel like I'm in a world, a different little world. Yeah, y'all, something about wearing like long johns. Get you some long johns, bro. Like, shit like this is cool, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, I might need to get me some boots like that, bro. This nigga look like a wizard. I'm not saying I'm gonna dress exactly like these though, y'all. It's just the extreme will give you ideas for your wardrobe. So this is fire. Ooh, yeah. These give off like, what's that movie called? The Fifth Element. That's kind of what I'm going for too, like the Fifth Element vibes. You feel me? I did not mean to follow them, bro. Alright, I wonder how many we got right now. I'm about to check. Alright, let's go ahead and check right now. We had 90 pins. Let's go ahead and find 10 more. Alright, boom. Here's one. I'm really liking like this mask type thing that's going on. I think that shit is cool. This is dope.